heading into the wild, these camping inventions will change the way you experience the outdoors. From high-tech survival gear to ultra-compact essentials, these innovative tools make camping easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're an adventurer, a weekend camper, or just love the idea of being prepared, these smart gadgets are designed to enhance your outdoor journey. Stay tuned as we explore the most brilliant camping inventions that bring comfort and convenience to nature. Exodus Capax. The Exodus Capax camping trailer is designed for off-road adventures while maintaining a high level of comfort. With an impressive ground clearance of 50 centimeters and a robust suspension system, it is built to handle rugged terrain with ease. The trailer has a carrying capacity of up to 454 kilograms, ensuring ample storage for all your travel essentials. Inside, the Exodus Capax offers a well-designed living space featuring a comfortable double bed, a transforming living room, and 2 kitchens, one indoors and one outdoors, providing flexibility for different weather conditions. The trailer can accommodate up to 5 people, making it perfect for family trips or group expeditions. For added entertainment, a pull-out television allows travelers to enjoy their favorite shows, even in remote locations. With all these premium features, the Exodus Capax comes with a price tag starting at $120,000, making it a luxurious yet capable choice for off-road camping enthusiasts. Gazelle Gazebo. Enjoy a private and spacious outdoor retreat with the Gazelle Gazebo, a portable shelter designed for convenience and comfort. Priced at $580, it provides ample room to accommodate a table and up to 8 people comfortably. With a center height of 2.2 meters, it offers a roomy and open feel. For protection against unexpected weather, the gazebo includes a rain canopy, while mesh-screened windows keep mosquitoes, flies, and other insects out. The all-terrain stakes ensure secure setup on various surfaces, and best of all, it only takes 90 seconds to assemble, making it a perfect addition to any outdoor adventure. The FlexTail Evo Repeller is a multifunctional outdoor gadget that combines a power bank, lantern, and mosquito repellent in one compact device. Equipped with a 52 watt-hour battery, it generates a mosquito-free zone with a 9-meter radius, making it an essential companion for camping and outdoor activities. As a lantern, it offers adjustable brightness and color temperature, illuminating an area of up to 200 square meters. A full charge provides up to 100 hours of light. The built-in magnets allow for easy attachment to a car hood, or it can be mounted on a tripod for added convenience. Priced at $87, it includes 10 repellent cartridges, ensuring a comfortable, bug-free experience wherever you go. BRIO Outdoor Kitchen. Transform any outdoor space into a personal cooking oasis with BRIO, a compact yet powerful mini kitchen that unfolds from a box weighing just 12 kilograms. Crafted from aluminum and plastic, BRIO is designed for durability and adventure, supporting up to 445 kilograms, despite its lightweight construction. It is built to withstand extreme conditions, functioning even in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. What sets BRIO apart is its modular design. If more cooking space is needed, multiple units can be connected to create a massive cooking station, perfect for feeding an entire campsite. Whether for solo outings or large gatherings, BRIO adapts to your needs effortlessly. This innovative outdoor kitchen system is priced at $400 per unit, making it a versatile and valuable addition for adventurers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. 3D printed camper. 3-dimensional printing can create almost anything, and now it is revolutionizing the world of camping trailers. Meet the Tiny Camper, a fully 3D printed trailer crafted from 7,500 recycled plastic bottles. Weighing just 400 kilograms, this ultra-lightweight camper features walls that are only 9 millimeters thick. Worried about durability? There is no need. Its fiberglass reinforced body ensures strength and resilience, even on rough roads. While its compact size does not allow for multiple rooms, it includes a small but functional kitchen and offers enough space to sleep up to 3 people comfortably. With sustainability and innovation at its core, The tiny camper comes with a price tag of $113,000, making it an eco-friendly yet premium choice for adventurers looking for a unique travel experience. Ninja Frost Vault. The Ninja Frost Vault cooler is built to impress with its high-performance insulation, keeping ice frozen for up to 6 days. Whether you're on a camping trip, a boat, or just transporting food in your truck bed, this cooler ensures everything stays at the perfect temperature. A dedicated dry zone compartment keeps food safe from melting ice, while the overall interior maintains a steady temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. With a generous 47-liter capacity, it can hold up to 80 cans, making it ideal for group outings and extended trips. Built for durability, its rugged design withstands tough conditions, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. For $250, the Ninja Frost Vault offers premium cooling technology with a focus on convenience and reliability. UD Power C500. The UDPOWER-C500 is a powerhouse packed with versatile features. As a jump starter, it delivers a peak current of 1,500 amps, capable of providing up to 50 starts per charge, ensuring you're never stranded. But that's just the beginning. This device also doubles as a 256-watt power bank, equipped with both standard outlets and USB ports for charging a variety of devices. For added convenience, the C500 can be recharged using solar panels or a car cigarette lighter, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Weighing just 2.7 kilograms, it's highly portable and can easily be carried by hand or on a strap alongside a backpack. With its solid set of features, the UDPOWER-C500 is available for $169, offering excellent value for anyone in need of a portable power solution. Flare Go. For coffee lovers who can't go a day without their favorite brew, even in the great outdoors, the Flare Go manual espresso maker is the perfect solution. Designed for portability, this compact device allows you to craft high-quality espresso anywhere, completely off the grid. Simply add your coffee grounds, use the lever, and watch the pressure gauge hit the optimal 6 to 9 bar range, delivering a rich and aromatic espresso shot every time. Weighing around 1.5 kilograms, the Flare Go is easy to pack and carry on any adventure. Starting at $125, this sleek and durable espresso maker ensures that a premium coffee experience is never out of reach, no matter where you are. FlexTail Sleeping Pad. The FlexTail team has designed the world's lightest inflatable sleeping pad, weighing just 496 grams. Despite its minimal weight, their top model boasts an impressive R value of 9.5, making it suitable for camping in extreme conditions, even as cold as -35 degrees Celsius. To make setup effortless, FlexTail has integrated a rechargeable AVS inflation system, capable of inflating the pad up to 10 times on a single charge. As part of their Kickstarter campaign, they're offering a special deal: 3 pads with different R values for $269, ensuring adventurers have the right pad for any season. Space Camper Bike. The Space Camper Bike is an innovative fusion of transportation, tent, and workspace, built on the Reese and Miller Load 75 cargo bike. Equipped with an electric motor, it provides pedal assistance for long rides and reaches speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. However, even with the best battery, a full charge offers a range of only 60 kilometers. Once you arrive at your destination, the Space Camper's unique design allows you to unfold the bed without even getting off the seat. For extra comfort, you can add an inflatable mattress. If you need a workspace, a fold-out table conveniently attaches to the handlebars. Priced at $10,000, it's a compact, mobile shelter for those who love adventure on 2 wheels. Boxio Tent Shower. Camping becomes more comfortable with the Boxio Tent Shower, a versatile pop-up tent designed for both showering and toilet use. Standing 2 meters tall, it provides ample space and includes an interior pocket for storing shampoos, combs, and other essentials. A built-in strap allows for convenient towel hanging. For those looking to use it as a shower, Boxio offers an optional hose with a shower head, capable of stretching up to 100 meters, available for an additional $31. The tent itself is priced at $73, making it an affordable and practical addition to any outdoor adventure. Sunny Bag. The Sunny Bag backpack is a lightweight and versatile companion designed for both work and adventure. Featuring a removable 6-watt solar panel, it allows you to charge your devices on the go. With a 15-liter capacity, it can hold everything from a work laptop to groceries. And at just 1 kilogram, it's comfortable enough for activities like skiing. A built-in indicator helps monitor the solar panel's performance, ensuring efficient energy collection. In about 8 hours, it can fully charge a 10,000 milliamp power bank or directly power your smartphone. Priced at $94, this backpack is an eco-friendly and practical solution for staying connected wherever you go. Rage Crossbow XNC. The Rage Crossbow XNC is a high-performance broadhead designed for hunting arrows, offering exceptional cutting ability for a more effective hunting experience. It features two 0.9mm stainless steel blades, engineered for precision and durability. Specifically tailored for crossbow enthusiasts, this model ensures deep penetration and reliable performance in the field. With a streamlined design and no-collar blade retention system, it eliminates the need for rubber bands, making it more convenient to use. Priced at $40, the Rage Crossbow XNC is a solid choice for hunters looking for precision and power. Nature Hike Snap Chair. The Nature Hike Snap Chair sets up instantly, offering a comfortable and convenient seating solution for outdoor adventures. Its patented design features a lightweight yet strong frame made from 7075 aluminum alloy, ensuring durability while keeping the weight at just 1.3 kilograms. Despite its compact build, this chair boasts an impressive weight capacity of 150 kilograms, nearly double that of many similar aluminum chairs. The ergonomic backrest provides excellent support for the back, lower back, neck, and shoulders, enhancing overall comfort. Available in a variety of stylish colors, the Nature Hike Snap Chair is a versatile addition to any outdoor setup, priced at $49 each. The Paco Fire 2 Premium Titanium Grill stands out for its affordability and compact design. Starting at just $99, it's perfect for budget-conscious campers who don't want to sacrifice quality. When disassembled, it's as thin as a stack of plates, fitting easily into a backpack for maximum portability. Setting up is a breeze, taking less than 40 seconds without the need for any tools. The basic version accommodates up to 4 people, while the extended version can handle up to 8, making it ideal for larger groups. Given its efficiency and compactness, it's no surprise that the extended version might be a great choice to avoid curious onlookers eyeing your impressive grill. Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter. Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter combines the best features of a sleeping bag and a blanket. With Luno, you can comfortably sleep in your car even when the temperature drops to -3 degrees Celsius outside. It's an excellent choice if you don't have a tent but still want to enjoy the outdoors with the comfort of your car. The Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter provides warmth and coziness, ensuring you have a restful sleep during your adventures. However, the Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter comes with a price tag of $300 United States dollars, reflecting its quality and unique design.